In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to disable the notification bar while playing games. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. I want to make a disclaimer that I'm going to show you how to do this on my Poco X3 Pro, but you can also do this on other Android or iPhone devices. However, the words or methods might be different. As a general idea, you want to open up the Settings app on your phone and look for anything related to pin windows or notifications. When you search for notification, try to find notification bar or notification shade, and this is where you should be able to control how you open up the notification bar on your phone. On Samsung devices, you need to look out for pin windows and turn that on. On Samsung devices, the pin windows lets you pin windows by holding down on the window tab over here under open apps and click on the lock icon so you can't open up the notification bar. On my Poco X3 Pro, all I have to do to not show up the notification bar is open up any game I wish to play, and after I open it up, I should get this Game Turbo pop up. If you don't have this, go into the settings of your phone and turn Game Turbo on. Within Game Turbo, go into the settings after swiping to the left to bring up this booter setting menu. In here, go into Game DND, select Enhanced Experience and turn on Don't Open Notification Shade. When you go back, all you have to do is turn on DND from the same Game Turbo window, and as you can see, if I try to pull up on the notification bar, nothing will happen. I hope I was able to help you on how to disable notification bar while playing games. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.